Welcome to Auto World of Conway, where today we'll be previewing yet another iconic 50s model Ford Fairlane 500 Skyliner. So we'll take a couple minutes, preview this lovely lady, so that way you can understand exactly what to expect to arrive in your driveway after purchasing this lovely lady from Auto World of Conway. So this out of a long time collection in Rhode Island. This car is such a blast to drive and enjoy. I put some miles on it myself, and boy, I love these big cars. Cruisers, I call them. See the flapper hubcaps, the wide white wall tires. I've got the fender skirts off, and clearly the Continental kit on the back. This is what you saw cruising the boulevard in the 50s. So in 1958, they produced fewer of these than they did in the prior year, 57. 57, over 20,000 produced. 1958, less than 15,000. How many of those survived? I don't know, but I know at least one. The paint and chrome on this car, say above average driver quality. Something that you would take to a cruise in or a show and expect to take maybe a top 5 or 10 award. You'll see the 312 cubic inch V8, an iteration of the Y block, 4-barrel carburetor. You also see the power steering pump there. Very original under the hood. Also, we've been under this car, got a video that will add to the end of this, so you can see just how clean she is underneath. Original floor pans, sheet metal, which is always great to see. Two-tone red and white inside. This restoration is about 20 years old, as indicated by the prior owner. Still shows very well. Minor wear here and there from entering and exiting. Dashpad, you've got original owner's manual, some other documentation. There, we'll push some buttons while we go for our drive. Again, try to point out any marks that I see. There's one there, this one in the photo is also a little spot on the bumper. Touch up there, and also a little spot there. Again, we want you to know what to expect, so no surprises. That's my goal. This is my 20th year making these videos here at the dealership, and there's a reason for that. Red is stunning. got the skirts off. Got the hardware for those included. Okay, we'll fire this lovely lady up. Get a dual exhaust. Fuel gauge works, temperature gauge, radio. Doesn't make a lot of noise, but you can hear that does turn on. Fan speed. You have to take my word for it. But you hear it going there. Wipers. Horn. And this under here, you've got a wolf whistle. That's what I call that. Dual exhaust. Oh yeah, oh yeah. We're gonna shut this hood. Be in a hurry when you operate these tops, that's for sure. See the pipe wrench in the back, no charge. Alright, so there you go. Take a look at that. Is a little scratch right there. This is dust. Why don't we do this? Why don't we go for a ride around the block? Skyliner. Another little touch up. It's so finicky and difficult to adjust properly. So after this video, she'll go to our classics and specialty store. See the speedometer functioning. undercarriage.